Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about Peloton Screen won't turn on and how to fix it. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. The Peloton Screen won't turn on and how to fix it. It is the most common problem faced by people and it must be fixed. Peloton shows your performance chart on the screen. Here I have discussed all methods of troubleshooting the Peloton Screen and tips to protect it from damage. How to troubleshoot the Peloton Screen. Are you also worried that the Peloton Screen won't turn on and how to fix it? Following are a few methods that work for 90% of people. Restart the Peloton bike. Sometimes due to many reasons, the bike stops working and its screen does not turn on. There is no technical fault in the bike and it just needs a restart. Follow these steps to restart your bike. Press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and the bike will turn off. Now wait for almost 40 seconds. Please turn on the Peloton again and connect it with the power supply. The bike will start functioning normally. Check fuse. A Peloton is an Android machine so that it can be damaged by electric surge like other Android devices, so please do not connect it directly with the power supply. So check the fuse and if it is blown, replace it with the new one. Moreover, always connect the Peloton with the power supply by using power strips. These are life-saving devices and are available at an affordable price. Check knobs and center buttons. Sometimes Peloton bike does not work due to the breakage of connection between the power supply and knobs. So check it before seeking any expert help. Peloton customer support. However, even after the reset bike is not working, there is a technical fault that must be subject to as soon as possible. So please do not try anything without proper consultation. Because you can harm the Peloton, contact customer support, discuss all your problems with them, and act upon their suggestions, and the bike screen will start working. All these methods must be helpful in understanding Peloton Screen won't turn on and how to fix it. Visit nearby store. If the bike is still not working, do not try anything at home in which you are not proficient. Visit nearby Peloton experts and ask them to check your bike. If you open any part, it won't be easy to reassemble it, so please never do it yourself. Similarly, make sure that the mechanic is an expert and knows all ins and outs of the Peloton. Warranty. Sometimes its inner parts get damaged and stop working. If the mechanic asks you to change its spare part or screen, look for its warranty card. As Peloton gives 2 months warranty on all parts. If you have a warranty period available, they will replace the expired part with a new one without asking for money. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.